everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Kizom. In today's video, we are going to learn some useful English phrases that we can use in our everyday conversation. Whether you are chatting with your friends, asking for help, or making plans, these phrases will have you covered. Thank you, Khamsang. Thank you, Nyedu Pebading Yang Samalol Kasishigi. Taring answer Nam Gune Gunde, Pejache, Injigi Joba Tung Midawa, Manguch Tagi in the right to get Sangmal Hingesugi, Nato Sim Guele, Rosta, Chiktamna, Tani Janguele to Mixeke, Madwal Hingesugi, Yu, La Injike, Gabne, Tonan Chewarajine, to get someone Nam Gune, Pejache, the Yodo, Kashes to Chadiure, and Lingus Taring, those Chinishegi, to get someone Hingesugi, some no Stang Regina, Nam Gune, the tick, to get someone Pejachi, Manzuki, they say the Yawa Gate. Dige nang gansugi chopa susu khashes chin janga indra kiselenge chugi dige khende yo paina nyen to mothine sirona tingyon le kiselenge songa janung dol thema thangbo pejo nge dongba thema thangbo thonjero chagdina khamsang yemingla kizom siye nganju deda takwa phege thoni inje jang nge tong sum tangi yore lenge susu phege shinge yo padam phege thoni inje jang de yo paina yinchi nganju janung thola subscribe narona nge dong le gi thuje disa tawa phurpu pemba chidu shide chege thola ngarang chu channel Learn English with Kizom thola ligi yore laso ta tharinge nganju English phrases dige kochugi lesson ge tang anjugi teten tangbodi kharicha de shupaina greetings and small talks chamdi chidang kandi imbale chorwa chamdi chidang lel hashu anjugi namgene phejo mangshing de kharichi ge la warajina hi hello ta dini ge nyamdola shemba anjo tharung khare phejo cheyor la warajina tangbodi lel henge chugi nice to see you again nani kochu warajine antik de yorta tene how is it going? How is it going? Next, what's up? What's up? Tine, how have you been? How have you been? Tine, long time no see. Chik nganzu ngoshem bado je hop the mel thora. Long time no see leni. Gotsu warajine dik de yodo to sto shine nganzu gi greetings and small talk digenga hengi so khari pheju chede yo ne anti yorta. Laselinge desen nipo tenganzo kharicha de shupaina asking for help or information. Di khandire khawayore la to ta chigro pas chiro cheda la chorwa tige nganzo khandichine ke chatigo yume la chorwa tanganzo gi injinalo la when we are asking for some help or for some information, it's very important to be polite. Yara buchini ke chate chorwa tipe ke chumbu chadiorwa the phrases tige phejo chine dige orta tangbodela excuse me, could you help me? Ra chiranga ropa chetu serwele churwa dos la origina nganjugi kechati chiranga ropa chetu serwele di yara pudu chadiorta tine nganjugi nibotela kharila chugur shipaina do you know where I can find ani khari goyo paine antila shantirwa tangi chopa na thandu ring ro tang origina do you know where I can find the nearest coffee shop nyadam chashu ki chikcha khan de khwa eme chirang ha ku yu le churwa thindicha Jamadela nganjo khari pheju chair la origina I am looking for and khari koyo paine khari chediyo paine yang tuslan digyo ro tingi joba thandu ring ro tang origina ni tuslaginda I am looking for the train station nga mekor phapchu ti khwaye me ta dius do you know where that is kirang odi khwaye me ha ku yu ala do tineng anjo ki khari la chugur shipaina could you please tell me how to get to call a dogo in the tosa kandire lecture what the get to go in a tendelap and quad join by a dilerta penetration could you please tell me how to get to the library pensakala kandi dogo image rangila to serve lecture teacher next would you mind helping me with and khari ki ropa go in a dilerta netus example now thandu ring rotang origina would you mind helping me with this luggage? Anjugi namthang do yo bache susugi bag luggage kya ro goyo paina anjugi di bag di luggage kya gira ro bache tu servela di chedula would you mind helping me with this luggage la origina tagda chadi yo do tu sto je chadi yore tang anjugi de chen sumpa de nanglo lal henge cholingi ki expressing gratitude tin chembudo sorgyo paina thadila kadin jeten khandi chegoyor kadin samshe la ro chiro jobananglo la khandi la oyor la chirwa chigi susul roba chen baina tanganju gi le hashudi thuje che thank you le diler ro tadila dang minda wa shimba khari yor la chirwa titaginda Tangbodala nganzuki thank you so much. Tirang lashana digiyorta. Tene nganzu karila chuguyore thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Tene I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. Tene yang nganzu shimba karila lena you are the best. Tachi ropa roshi susula ropa de goyo paina pajuni ropa chiwarajina you are the best. Tilana digiyorwa. Jamang nganzu karila lawarajina thanks for the help. Kantilare thanks for the help. Dige nganzu ki gratitude express kandi chigi mele shorwa ti chadiore. Last lenge ta desen chimadi shiba dinal henge cholengi gi apologizing. Chi gonda to den shudang phrases kashe chi injinala kandi badosh lage in the wrong nganzu gi nudu rosh ta pacho chi magawa do chejo do chesusu gi phaidela gonda shugore sambarjina injinala shusa shudang tinde do chiore. Tangbodala I am sorry about that. Right? I am sorry about that. Next, my apologies. My apologies. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Ra. Gonda nye di nye takalor nye chego den di me le rojo ra. Tinde open nye ring rotang rojina. Sorry, I didn't mean to hurt you. Right? I didn't mean to hurt you. Nye kirang la pona samma sung lejo po chu de me lejo ra. Tinde cha. That's madi nganzu nam gini piji chedi. Please forgive me. Gonda lejo ra. Please forgive me. Tene nganzu gi thamachi karilayor na. I hope you can understand. Right? I hope you can understand. Last lengi ta desin chimadi nanglo lalhinge solengi ki making plans. Right? Ropat sunyam dala chashi doji diga doji bayin chikla tuwa doji bayin na nganzu ki kari la chogu yor lejo. Right? English phrases dige chadi yore. Tangbodala. Let's grab a coffee sometime. Right? Imagine ngaring coffee tunga togo lejo. Right? Let's grab a coffee sometime. Tine, are you free this weekend? Kira sanju di tongba imba lejo. Right? Are you free this weekend? Jamadala. How about we meet up tomorrow? Sanying ani tuge aladi. Kandi chaso. How about we meet tomorrow? Next. Would you like to join me for dinner? Would you like to join me for dinner? Let's get together soon. Let's get together soon. Offering help. Ta pajo mi shimbachila ropa che roje ro susugi gesture yakpu do shtong goyna thangi sogi kari phrases piju che chogo yor le chorwa and di tige chadi ye tangbo. Can I help you with that? Right? Ni kirang la di che do ropa che go le chorwa ta thangi mi si asking for help le nanglo la kari le yor shupaina. Would you mind helping me with this luggage le chora? Ta mi luggage ya ma kyan pe kale che de na ni ropa che do rojo paina. Can I help you with that? This lashana yakudosh chegdora. Tene, do you need a hand? Do you need a hand? And ropa goyo elechora tiran chadiorda. Chemadalangan to karila choyor shupaina. Would you like some help? Right? Would you like some help? Next, let me know if you need anything. Right? Let me know if you need anything. Next, I am here if you need any assistance. Right? I'm here if you need anything like you do. And if you need any assistance. Complimenting someone. Compliment condition. Everyone loves getting compliments. Rami thangma compliment rawa dojim baina gau chungori ro. That dige phrases dige ginyam dala henge sogi michik la compliment che chogoyorda. Thangbo de henge sogi kharila chogoyor shupaina. You look great today. Tari kira penning jumu thangidus. You look great today. Nipa. I love your outfit. Kirangi kyende yotti pe apudu. I love your outfit. Chemadala. You are doing a fantastic job. You're doing a fantastic job. Next, that's a brilliant idea. Chigi idea yakudo require yakudo style that's a brilliant idea. That lauti sambola nganjuki picture phrases tige changma chigrang la changma nyam do dre do min do su netang situation la pawe kha ga picture che dwara thamadala you are really talented. Talented salpe abutu lecture right you are really talented. That's linge desen thamad nanglo la linge solengi ki responding to good news phrases kandido yeme lagain darwa nechu yaputo chungorjina antilang anj leng khari jagor lecture ra nechu yaputo le odojina thangma go chungura ta dila susigi leng jatang mida khashis ro chagar ra ta injina yin baina phrases dige phejo chuchurda. That's awesome. Nipadela I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. Somebody namgyung anju phejo chi yora congratulations. Congratulations. Diorajina congrats. Jamandala that's wonderful news. Right? That's wonderful news. Tamading anju khari phejo chair shupaina you must be thrilled. You must be thrilled. Kirampe go chung de girtas. You must be thrilled. Lasa lengi ani tharing ginyen don dirang sami tharing ginyen don dibato sinsin nang shu go yopai na ning thakpani katin che tharing ginyen don lengi chola pen tok po thuk do do chung yo ni rewa chi ye learnenglishwithkizom.com gigang la thanda lengi chola ni grammar tatu gi jinda beginner to intermediate English grammar course chi do de yore de lengi chogi se chung me pare jina thazik website ki link ding ge sham ki description box na sha sha ro link so page zero na lin share and jama ingen dos na link sama kyat je ge ro chi ye ma pe ngela subscribe na nyu na yin subscribe na ne perona ang chabu chi ni shiro na ngasi nyam de inji ja ni shiro na